Philip727 here, coming back at you with another video. Today, we're working on the truck. We're going to be replacing the stock electric fan that it has in there. Those are also called AC fans because they only come on when the AC is on or when it's temperatures like a 204 degrees, I think. So we're replacing that with that fan. That is a V6 Dodge Ram 1500 fan, and that bolts right in. I'll show you guys how to do it, what to do, and then I'll tell you what you'd have to do tuner wise, because it will have to be tuned. So let's get into it. Alright, so right here's the fan shroud. This right here, this is a 13mm bolt, and then this right here is the connector for the fan. So just here's the other end. You unplug it. This will be attached to the fan shroud itself, and it's just got some clips. So you just pop those off, put it over to the side, leave this plug here, and we're going to undo that 13mm. If my ratchet will decide to work. So just undo it. It'll come off pretty easily. So here we go. 13mm screw out. So now what we'll do, we'll get this and unclip it from the fan shroud, because if you can see right here, that's where that'll go. Your coolant hose will go onto that. And for sake of time, noise, and watching me fail, I already got that up. See? Same two holes as over on the V6. So now what we'll do, if I can find my ratchet, we'll come over here and we'll do the exact same thing over here. Alright, so on this side, which is passenger side, the bolt for the fan shroud is right here. It's literally right in front of the airbox. So we'll just undo this. Might have to move some lines out of the way. Might be helpful. Or just get an extension. That'll be super easy. Alright, so what I'm going to show you guys next is whenever I took out the fan clutch, I showed you how there are some plastic pieces on the bottom of the fan shroud. You might want to unclip to make it easier to get that fan clutch out. Well, you're going to have to go back underneath the truck. Getting too old for this. Once underneath the truck, you have this piece you can take off, which in the fan clutch video, go check that out. Those are just clips that pop out. Same with that right there, that's a clip. But the thing I'm talking about is this. You have one clip, two clip, and three clip. This right here is connected to the bottom of the fan shroud. So if you want to see how to get that taken off, go to my fan clutch delete video and check it out, because that is what you'll need to get the fan clutch out. But we're going to try just undoing this right now. Now what's next, after taking that plastic guard off the bottom of the fan shroud, is right here is a clip that goes on top of the radiator and holds the electric fan in place. I'll show you that there is one underneath right here. There's another one of those metal clips that holds to the bottom of the radiator and holds the fan in place. So I went ahead and already took that out because it took a long time, probably would have made me look stupid. But pretty much just use a screwdriver to wiggle it out. That's all I did. So Now we're gonna go back up top. Alright. So now that we're back up top, we're gonna try taking out fan shroud and electric fan, whichever comes first. So here goes nothing. Almost out. Not quite. Stuck over on a hose. Stuck on fan, stuck on hose, stuck on fan. Fan shroud is out. Alright, so right now is the electric fan. I don't know if you can see it, but this little tab right here, I'll get a close-up once I get the fan out, but there's two tabs, one over here and one on the other side. You press down and you lift. That's what locks the fan in place. So now the fan can just come out. Which you still gotta watch for hoses and everything else. So now the fan is out. Let me show you those clips I was talking about. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the clips I was talking about that releases the fan to be able to be pulled out. So it sits right here, the electric fan, and this tab, you push down and it pops out. It's the same way over on the driver's side. There's where it sits and the clip is over there. That's got slightly larger blades on it as that one. Let me see if you can see my finger. Oh, there it is. That one does not. Now this has it's got low fan speed and it's got a high fan speed. That one does not. This has its own fan shroud built in around it, as I was saying in the fan clutch video. That does not. This costed me 60 bucks. That costed me nothing to take it out. Alright. Got the fan. Putting it in the exact same way we took out the old fan. So now we get our 13mm screws we took off the side of the fan shroud, and we're going to put them back into the fan. Right. So this hole right here will match up to the radiator side, which is where this 13mm screw went into the fan shroud, the old fan shroud. So just put it in, start screwing it down. And that's it. We're gonna go over to the other side and do the exact same thing. So now we're on passenger side. Right here is the exact same hole. Take your 13mm screw, start screwing it in. So now that we're done with the screws, we have this clip, which is what went to the old fan shroud. As you see, it's got a bracket for it, for those clips. Just twist it, and it's in. Easy as that. Now, coming over here, I will say, yes, this connection looks funny, but it will work. So I'm gonna plug this up for you guys. Alright, so now I have it together. We're good to go. And that's pretty much it for the fan install. Nothing else you have to do. Look at all that space. Buffalo in there or something. A lot easier to do maintenance on a belt or tensioner or anything pretty much. So back to me. Pretty much after you have this installed, you have to have a tuner to program when the fan comes on. So for me, I have mine set at 195 and I do not have a 180 degree thermostat. That's why I do 195. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you have a tuner. Make sure you set it to the right temperature for the fan to turn on, or else you'll probably be overheating and you'll blame me. Don't blame me. Listen, have a tuner. Tune it to 195 if you have a stock thermostat, or turn it to about 185 or 190 with a 180 degree thermostat. Alright, that's it for this video. Might have something pretty interesting, don't know yet, but make sure to subscribe. If I get 100 subscribers, I will do something car related or buy something car related, either for a truck or another car of your guys' choice. So make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Alright, you guys have a good day. Hope you enjoyed.